dear children, welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. Dear student, in the last class we were discussed about exercise 5.8 word problems and sum it up A main, B main and C main. Dear student, in this section I am going to discuss with you D main, it means sum it up D main word problems. Dear student, all of you open the page number 147. The sum it up D main, the question is solve the following word problems. The first question, a car covers 324 meters in one round. How many meters it did covers if it took 14 such rounds? Okay, dear student, the car distance covered by in one round is 324 meters. You know, round means even circle. That circle consists of 324 meters. Okay, the car covers one round completely. How much distance that's covered? 324 meter distance that is covered in one round. That's like the number of rounds. That's car completely this rounds the ground in the 14 times. How many times? 14 times. So, what is the distance that is covered? Up to 14 rounds. We have find out the question, the total distance it covers a car. Okay, shall we start the find out the answer? Yes, dear friend, you know a distance covered by car in one round is 324 meters. The number of rounds that's car distance covered by the ground in the circle. Okay, dear student, into 14 times. Okay, you multiply 14 into 4, 14 4s are 14 2s are 14 3s are. That's like this like you convert. You want two steps. 324 multiplied by 14. This like also you convert. Okay. Yes, first 4 4s are 4 2s are 4 3s are. The next 1 4s are 1 2s are 1 3s are. Okay, dear student. 4 4s are how much? 16. Yes, dear student, 6 is here, 1 is carry over. Yes, dear student. The next 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. The next 4 3s are 12. You direct rightly 12 because here no any another digits. Okay, dear student. The next go to the second step. When you go to the second step, you rub the first level carry overs. Okay, dear student. The next 1 4s are, when you start the tens, it becomes 0. You start here tens. Okay, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Okay, dear student. The answer is, now you add these two numbers. 6 into 0, sorry, 6 plus 0, 6, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 is carry over, 3 is here. The next 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 1, 4. How much, dear student? 4,536 meters. Even therefore, 4,536 meters, the car covers the 14 rounds. How much, dear student? 4,536 meters. The car covers the 14 rounds. Okay. Otherwise, you write the answer here also. What is the answer? 4,536 meters. M means meters. That is units of distance. Unit of distance is M. M means meter. Okay, dear student. That is understood. Then go to the third question. Rest of the second, your homework, dear student. What is the third question? An aeroplane can carry 238 passengers at a time. If the aeroplane makes one trip daily, How many passengers travel in the aeroplane in a week? Dear student, an aeroplane can carry 238 passengers at a time. At a time, that aeroplane carry the 238 passengers. But that if the aeroplane makes only one trip in a day. Okay, dear student. Then how many passengers travel in the aeroplane in a week? You find out? Yes, dear student. The solution first, passengers travel in a single trip 238 passengers in a single trip, that's carry. Then in a week, how many passengers travel in a aeroplane? You know, in a week means even 7 days. Okay, the total passengers travel in a week we find out by aeroplane. That is question. Yes, dear student, shall we find out the question? 238 passengers into how many days? Even 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now you multiply, you get a answer. Okay, dear student. 7 8s are 56. 6 is years. 5 is carryovers. Yes, dear student. The next 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 5. 26. 6 is year, 2 is carrying over. Yes, dear student. Then 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Yes, dear student. 1666 passengers travel in a week by aeroplane. How much, dear student? 1666 passengers travel in a week by an aeroplane. Okay, dear student. 7 8s are 56, 5 is carried over, then 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 5 is 26, the next 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2, 16. Totally 1666 passengers travel in a week by aeroplane. Okay, dear student, go to the fourth question. Remain. If each truck can carry 743 gunny bags of wheat, how many gunny bags of wheat can be carried into 64 trucks? Dear student, one truck carries 743 gunny bags of wheat. How many gunny bags of wheat can be carried into 64 trucks? We find out 64 trucks. How many gunny bags carries the truck? Okay, dear students. Yes, dear student. Find out the answer. Gunny bags can carry each truck is 743 bags. Number of trucks are 64. So what is the question? Total number of gunny bags carried by truck. Okay, dear students, shall we start the answer? Yes, 743 is the gunny bags carried by each truck. Total trucks are into, it means multiply 64. Yes, dear student. Shall we start the multiplication? 4 3s are 4 4s are 4 7s are. Okay, dear student. 4 3s are 12. 2 is here. 1 is carried over. Yes, dear student. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. Yes, dear student. 7 is here. 1 is carried over. Yes, dear 7 8s are 28. 28 plus 1 29. 29. Here no number. You directly write 29. When you write the numbers in the place value is very important. 29. Yes, dear student, first step is clear. We rub the first level carryovers. Yes, dear student, go to the second step. 6 3s are 6 4s are 6 7s are. Okay. When you start the tens place, first place, it means ones place is becomes 0. You start tens place. 6 3s are is 18. 8 is here, 1 is carried over. Yes, dear student. The next 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. How much, dear student? 25. 5 is here, 1 is carried over. Yes, dear student. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. The next 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 43. How much, dear student? 43. Yes, now you add these two numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 7, keep in your mind 8. The next after 7, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much dear student? 15 is the answer. 1 is he carry over, 5 is here. Yes dear student. The next 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Yes, also 5 is here, 1 is carry over. Yes dear student. The next 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. The next 4 as it is 4. Yes dear student, total number of gunny bags carried by truck is 64,552 gunny bags of weight carried by the 64 trucks. Yes dear student, the answer is 46,552 gunny bags of weight carried by total number of trucks are 64 trucks. Okay dear student, understood? The next, in this domain, second one, your homework. Yes dear student, go to the email, fill the empty space on the wheels. Here 3 wheels, 3 questions are there. I will solve first question. Okay, rest of the 2 your homework, because both 2 are very easy questions. Okay dear student, how to solve this question? Fill the empty space. Here this is in the circle, in the center of the circle, into 7,000. It means multiply these numbers into 7,000, you get a answers. So for example is given here 35,000 is there. 7, how much the 35,000? You neglect the zeros, just 7, how much the 35 dear student? 7 5 is 35, you know dear student. Yes, 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. The next, how many zeros is there? 1 2 3. You put the 1 2 3 zeros. That's clear. As the student, 7 4 is how much dear student? 7 4 is 28. Yes, the next, how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Yes, 7,000 4 is 28,000. Yes, clear. That is dear student. Just you observe how to multiply. Okay dear student, the next, here 7,000, here 21,000. You neglect the zeros. The next 7, how much is 21? 7 3s are 21. Yes dear student, 7 3s. It means 7,000 3s are 21,000. That's clear. Okay dear student, the next 7,000 into 56,000. 7, how much is 56? 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. This means 7,000 8s are 56,000. That's clear dear student. Okay. The next 7 12s are. It means 12 7s are. 12 7s are 84. 84. The next how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Yes, 7 12s are 84. It means 7,000 12s are 84,000. Here 7,000, here 14,000. It means 7 2s are 14. Yes dear students, 7,000 2s are 14,000. That's clear. The next 7 7s are 49. How much dear student? 49,000. You write this like also. 49,000. Yes dear student, 49,000. The next 7 18s are 18 7s are. 18 7s are 126. 18 7s are, this number you write this like 7 7s are 49. It means 49,000. Yes dear student. The next 18 7s are 126 into 3 zeros. Yes dear student. Totally 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh. 1,26,000. Yes dear student. 18 7s are. It means 7,000 into 18 is 1,26,000. Yes dear student, clear complete the circle. Yes, this like you fill another 2 circles. Okay dear student, go to the next concept, hearts. See, all of you observe page number 147 in the A main. Find the numbers, hearts. First one, we are 2 numbers having product of 72 and difference of 1. Dear student, the question is, we are 2 numbers. I don't know who numbers. Yes dear student, we are 2 numbers have product of 72. The product of 72. Okay, dear student. The next, and difference is 1. Difference means subtract. It means the both difference is 1. So which are the numbers? You find out which are the numbers. You know how much 72 is the product. You multiply two numbers, any two numbers, we get product is 72. Yes, which are the numbers? You know, 9 8s are 9 8s are. How much, dear student? 9 8s are 72. Yes, dear student. The next, 9 minus 8. We subtract, we get difference is 1. Yes, dear student, that's correct. Yes, 9 into 8 is, it means 9 into 8 we multiply, you product, we get 72. Yes, dear student, that's clear. The next, 9 minus 8, you subtract, you get the difference is 1. So that's two numbers are, yes, 9 and 8 are the answer. Yes, dear student, first one is 9 comma 8 is the given two numbers. Yes, dear student. Is the next second question, your homework. The next, B main electric poles are placed at gaps of 2 kilometers each. Ronit counted 30 electric poles on a car drive. How far had the driven? How far had the driven? Yes, dear student, you know electric poles already. Okay, this is on the way road. Yes, dear student, that is road. Ronit covers even electric poles is covers. That's like, you know, place the electric poles. Okay, each electric poles have a distance 2 kilometers. How much kilometers, dear student? 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers distance are gaps is the every one poles. Okay, then Rohit counted electric poles on a car drive. It means 2 kilometers every one pole into, he covers 30 kilometers. How much kilometers? Sorry, he covers 30 electric poles on drive. So 2 into 30, how much, dear student? 2 3s are 6. 6 means 6. Okay, then 0 as 0. Totally 60 kilometers is for his driver. Yes, dear student, totally 60 kilometers is covers. Whose? Ronit is covered totally 60 kilometers. Even every pole have a distance 2 kilometers in the gaps. Okay, dear student, so you find it 2 into 30, we get 60 is the answer. Yes, dear student, the next concept, value based question. All of you open the page number 148, dear student. The value based question is, Puneet's mother was admitted to hospital as she was ill. Puneet needed money urgently. Ankur and his friends contributed rupees 150 each. How much money did they contribute? The question mark. Dear student, Puneet's mother was admitted to hospital because she is ill. So Puneet needs urgently money. So his friend Ankur and his 20 other friends contributed 150 rupees each, everyone. So how much money did they contribute? Dear student, you know his friends are Ankur and 20 other friends. It means even Ankur other friends is 20, you add Ankur also plus total friends, give the money is 21 friends. Each friends give the money is 150 rupees. How much, dear student? 150 rupees. Okay, into total friends 21 friends. Yes, dear students, total friends 21 friends. Okay, now you multiply here 150 multiplied by 21, because total friends 21 friends. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 1, 1. First level clear, dear student. Okay. The next go to the second level. You put 0 in the ones place here. Okay. 2 into 0, 0. The next 2 5s are 10. 1 is carried over. 0 is here. Yes, dear student. The next 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Yes, 0 plus 0, 0. Add two numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 1 plus 0, 1. 3 as it is 3. The total amount is contributed 3,150 rupees. Yes, dear student, this is the symbol of rupees. Yes, dear student. Then choose the most appropriate. The value based answer is, first one is honesty, second one is empathy, third one is patience. The appropriate value is empathy. The option B, you take right mark. Okay, dear student, understood? Go to the next concept. Mental maths. Mental maths have 10 questions. I will solve here 3 questions. Rest of the question your homework, because those questions are very easy. Okay, dear student. The next A main, in the write the correct answers. In the mental maths, I have taken 6, 7 and 10. Rest of the question your homework. Even 20 into 60 dash 40 into 30. Put less than, greater than or equal to sign. Which sign is coming here? You know, dear student, neglect zeros. 2 6 are how much, dear student? Or 6 2 are. 2 6 are or 6 2 are. 6 2 are 12 or 2 6 are 12. Here how many zeros? Here 1, here 1. Totally 2 zeros. Answer is 1200. The next, here 2 zeros neglect. The next 4 3s are how much, dear student? 4 3s are 12. The next here 1 0 and here also 1 0. Total 2 zeros. So which sign they are coming here? Yes, is equal to 20 into 60 is equal to 40 into 30. Yes, dear student, clear? Yes. The next, go to the 7th question. 80 minus 8 is equal to 9 into dash. Dear student, 80 minus, it means subtract 8. 0 minus 8, that is not possible. You take borrow in the tens place. Even borrow, you know, 10. Okay. 10 minus 8, you get 2. It becomes 7. 7 as it is 7. What is the answer? 72. Yes, dear student, we get answer is 72. Even 9, how much is 72? Yes, 9 8s are 72. Yes, dear student, here answer is 72. We get. So E is equal to 9 8s are. 9 8s are also 72. We get the answer. So in this dash, you put the 8 is the answer. Okay, dear students, clear that one? The next 10th question. Kavita has twice the number of balloons as her sisters has. If her sister has 125 balloons, then Kavita has dash balloons. Kavita has twice the number of balloons of her sister has. Her sister has total balloons 125. Her sister has balloons 125 balloons has. Yes, dear student. So then Kavita has it twice. Twice means into double. It means double means into 2. Yes, dear student. To multiply now. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. 5. 2 1s are 2. Yes, dear student. The answer is twice means even 250 has a balloons of Kavita. Is the answer. It means twice means into double. 125 and 125. This is addition method. This is multiplication method. You add same as 5 plus 5, 10, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. 250. Yes, answer is 250. Okay, dear student. The next activity all are multiplication questions. You fill in your textbooks. Okay, dear student, that is also your homework. Okay, dear student, thank you.